Today it's Friday, August 8, 2025. This is the SL65. The guys, they're bleeding the cooling system. They have put everything together. Turn off the fan, please, for a second. You put a CHF11S, you put hydraulic fluid in. Hydraulic fluid in, okay. Coolant currently, I have connected the pipe here. We have put inside 10 liters of oil here. We have the element down here to warm up the oil. When it reaches 50-60 degrees, then I'm gonna start pumping it in. Has also filter, obviously. Suction here for the cooling system. We are looking good. So like I said, I'm gonna pass the most oil through this. I'm gonna pass all 10 liters and then we're gonna crank it. We're gonna spin a little bit the crankshaft and then we're gonna crank it. They repair the ECU, right? Okay, later on don't forget to put on the fuel line, to put one bottle. Well, ideally we can remove the fuse for the fuel pump. It's okay, it's fine, it's okay. It's okay. Fire extinguisher, we have it here next to us. Okay, lovely. Leave it to warm up. Leave it to warm up. See the extension cable, it's warming up. No, it's okay, it's fine. It's fine, it's not warming up. Alright, leave it to warm up. Alright, now we have passed 10 liters of oil by hand, and Mr. Joe, he was hand cranking the crankshaft. Now, no worries, we're not gonna start it. You have the tank there, we have a fire extinguisher here. Crank it, please. Crank it to heat the engine, to build up some pressure. And the fuel inside, it's almost 1 year old, eh? Oh boy, no worries. Okay, we have uncovered this, and this. Lock, unlock the car. I'm pausing it until he's ready. When you are ready, let me know, eh? You ready? Alright, battery charger. Alright, fine. Alright, fire up. Lovely, lovely. Stop. Amazing, excellent. Wait now. Wait to connect it gives some fuel inside. You feel it? Nice. Alright. Ignition off, please. Let's connect it to fire up for a couple of seconds. Coolant still pumping in. Okay. Let's put the coolant. Yeah, it's stopped. It's stopped. It's stopped. You have to fill it up here. Eh? Alright, whenever you are ready, crank it to start. Yeah, crank. Off, 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 off. We have a fuel leak here. It's leaking. The fuel line is leaking. Disconnect carefully. Carefully disconnect, turn off the battery charger, disconnect the batteries, front and back. Carefully without making any spark or something, get a rag and disconnect it with a rag to don't create any spark. The fuel line is leaking. Most probably the pipe inside is gone. They have crimped a hydraulic pipe here. That's how this looks like. Yeah, it's hydraulic pipe and it's supposed to be burnt. Alright. We have to crimp a new pipe. Alright, so now what are we gonna do? We need the dipstick to check the oil level here. It sounds nice. It sounds nice. Okay, for first start it sounds good, decent. Check the oil level, pressurize a little bit the cooling system to see that we don't have any leak from anywhere. And pretty much that's it. When we're gonna crimp on 2 lines, actually, we have to crimp both lines. This and this, not only one, because if we fix this one, later on we're gonna start leaking from that one. Right? Alright. That's it. Small update for the V12. it starts. Pass the oil inside. We need to see pressurize the cooling system. 10 psi to see that everything is fine. And we need also the dipstick. We need the dipstick for the for the V12. Transmission oil as well. You put transmission oil, right? How many liters? 7. All right. We have to fix the transmission oil level later. Hydraulic fluid also here. Let's double check now that it starts because of the pump. Lovely, lovely. One hiccup with the fuel line. No worries, not a big deal. It's fine. Battery disconnected here. Fine. You have disconnect also back?
Yes, sir.
Disconnect also back here. Lovely, amazing. If you want my advice, because I don't know, maybe the batteries are fine. I'm just saying that it's SL65 AMG and it's Brabus as well. All right, it's written on the turbos, not only OEM batteries. OEM batteries. Let's check. That's it. Let me take this inside, hide it from here. No need. Inside the engine room again. Checking the rest. I might make another video later on. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Thank you. Over and out.